Meaning of embryo.
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 Embryo. An embryo refers to the developing stage of a multicellular organism, specifically from the point of fertilization to the end of the 8th week of gestation in humans. During this time, the cells of the embryo divide and differentiate into various cell types, forming the basic structures of the body. By the end of the embryonic stage, the major organs and body systems have begun to form. The development of the embryo is a critical period that can be influenced by external factors and can have long-lasting impacts on the health and development of the individual.